When we are talking about two people, not me and not you, those two over there, we use rāua. Kei te hikoi rāua, those two people, they are walking. And when we have got more than two people, we use rātou. Kei te hikoi rātou, those people are walking. Kei te kani rāua, those two are dancing. Kei te kani rātou, those people, three or more, they are dancing. And this is related to how we talk about people using rāua koa. Kei te haere koa a tui, rāua ko kara. Tui and kara are happy. And we use rātou koa when we are talking about three or more people. Kei te hikoi a rangi, rātou ko mere, ko hemi, rangi, mere and hemi are walking. But what if I want to talk about me and someone else? Like Rangi and I went to the shop. Well, we have met māua before, meaning the two of us, not you. I korero māua, the two of us, not you, talked. And you use māua in the same way when you're talking about yourself and someone else. For example, if you want to say, Hana and I are dancing. Now, you might think that you would say, kei te kani aho, māua ko Hana, but that would not actually be correct. When you use māua, you are already saying me and somebody else. So saying aho māua is like saying me. So we just say kei te kani māua ko Hana. Hana and I are dancing. Kei te korero māua ko Rangi and I are talking. Kei te waiata ngā wahine kia māua ko tōku hoa. The women are singing to me and my friend. Ka haere atu māua, ki te whare o māua ko tōku hoa. The two of us, not you, will go to the house of me and my friend, not your house. If you are talking about yourself and two or more people, we use matou ko, and we use ko for each subsequent person. For example, kua mātakitaki mātou, kua oku mātua I te kiriata. My parents and I have watched the movie. Kua korero tia ngā kupu e mātou ko rangi ko mere ko ngā tamariki. The words have been spoken by me, Rangi, Mere and the children. Me whakarongo koe ki te waita a mātou ko tangata pai. You should listen to the song of me and the good people. Like the village people, but different. YMCA.